Absolutely one of the nicest 1750s you're ever going to find used. It's finger pickup. It's got row cleaners. We got no-tills that if you don't want the row cleaners, they come with it. You can put the no-tills on it. Single disc Fertilize, finger pickup, Spade closing wheels in the back. Absolutely one of the nicest 4-rows that we've ever owned here used. I think the gentleman, if he didn't buy it new, he was a second owner off a neighbor, but this thing is some kind of clean. It's got spring down pressure. It's got heavy duty spring down pressure. It's set on wide rows, but all this slides. There is no welds on this planter. Everything, this planter looks just like it did the day it come in. We've actually had it inside. We just got it in about a week ago, and we just got it online. It does have the insecticide boxes and all on it. I mean, double Spade closing wheels, does have the seed firmers. It did only come with corn meters. He's not done any beans with it, but you could seek out a set of bean meters if you're going to do 30-inch beans if you move this in. But right now I think it's sitting on 36 or 38-inch rows. But all this moves. This has to slide in, all that slides in. The wheels even slide. Everything on this planter is adjustable. These are absolutely a hard find. And he put the tightener kits on the gauge wheels. He's still got a little bit of bevel on the blade. You can see right here how much bevel's on the blade. This thing was all oiled up when I got it out of his barn. And all this is tight. And like I say, it's got the tightener kit, so if you get a little wear, you can adjust it. But fantastic planter. You drive your wheels off trying to find one like it.